welcome back to Kalispell, Montana for our Day 2 coverage here at the event at Rebecca Farm. I'm Frankie Terriot-Stutz, and today we look forward to taking you through the vendor area and showcasing all we have in store for you there, as well as bringing you dressage coverage. Take a look. Auburn Excel Brady's joining me. She's had a great day in the one-star division. And Auburn, 2 horses that you're riding in this division, both having great days and putting forth good scores here. And just first, kind of the difference in riding those 2.
Well, Royal Lux is my horse I own with a partner, and he has a little bit more experience than the other horse. And actually, I think it was a blessing in disguise I ended up riding in the CCI 1-star instead of the 2-star because he had such a fantastic score. The other horse, Pinotage, is still coming along. He's only 7. This is his first 1-star, and he shows a lot of promise and talent, so I'm very excited to have both of them to ride.
Well, really fun to get to kind of experience both those different things simultaneously, and the cross country looks great. Have you had a chance to take a look at it?
No, I'm going to have a look at it this evening, but I did see some fences from the road and it looks pretty fun. I'm excited.
All right, well, congratulations. A great day so far for Auburn Excel Brady.
Thank you.
Tamara Smith, another great ride for you in the 1-star division, this time on Under Wraps, and such a fun horse to watch. He goes in there and seems so relaxed.
He is. He's such a good boy. We bought him from the East Coast a few years ago, or actually brought him over here for a few years ago, and Beth has been riding him and just producing him up the levels. This is his first CCI 1-star, so I was really happy. He was so good in there. I had one little bobble, but other than that, it was super.
All right, well, we're really excited to watch you guys this weekend. Good luck.
Thank you.
Kelly Pugh in Corazon. This is a brand new ride for you, Kelly, and a really exciting horse for sure. He looked great in there.
Thank you. Thanks. I just got him, so we've been working really hard to try to get this test running fluid. There's a few bobbles, but it's an exciting partnership for the future, definitely.
And being here at Rebecca Farm, what you're most looking forward to for your weekend?
Oh, I walked the cross country yesterday. It looks fantastic. It looks like so much fun. Yeah.
All right, well, should be a great weekend. Congratulations on a good test and good luck.
Thank you so much.
Be sure to check out the Rebecca Farm event store here in the trade fair, where you can purchase all that memorabilia to take home to remember your fantastic week in Montana. You can also purchase things to support Halt Cancer X, and also be sure to go online to our website, www.rebeccafarm.org, where you can make a contribution to support the great cause. The trade fair area here at Rebecca Farm also features an indoor area, so be sure you check that out as well. and the lovely Rondelette joining me. And Erin, this mare is so beautiful. We've heard a little about her this year, and I'm really thrilled to watch this mare. But just give us a little bit of background on her.
She was bred by Gateway Farm, which is my cousin and a Laurel Ritter and a lady named Liz Jenner. And I bought her as a baby off of a video and got her when she was 2. And I broke her in her 3-year-old year, and then she's been great ever since, just going along doing her job.
Well, she's 5 years old, and she's a horse that does compete in that Young Event Horse Series. She's not competing there this weekend, as you mentioned, but she is already qualified for the championships, having done well at qualifiers earlier this year. And the training 3-day, how important do you think that actual format is to the development of these young horses?
I think it's really important, especially for the warm bloods, to learn to gallop and just to go out there and be on a big stride and go down and get the jumps. So,
all right, well, it should be a fun weekend here for you guys. Good luck.
Thank you, Frankie.
with Bonner Carpenter. She's one of our Novice 3-Day competitors. And Bonner, this is a newer ride for you. You have a couple of them here this weekend. And for this horse doing the Novice 3-Day, why you made that decision?
He is a little green still, and whereas with the other one we decided to go ahead and move him up to training, this one I think needs a little bit more experience. He's not always comfortable being on his own, and so we thought, having to go out and do roads and tracks by himself would be a good thing. And then also steeplechase, kind of trying to get him back into that forward mindset, so in that way maybe hopefully by cross country he'll be wanting to take me to the fences and stuff.
Cool. Just your overall thoughts on this venue and getting to do the Novice 3-Day here. A really fun thing they put on for riders.
This is probably one of my favorite shows. It's the greatest venue I think that there is, and the venue's great arenas, great cross country courses, and being able to do a Novice 3-Day, is great for I think the younger horses, and being able to do that and let them get that experience, and then also for younger people or amateurs and stuff like that who have never had the experience to be able to do that. I just think it's a great thing to be able to experience.
All right, well, have a great weekend.
Thank you, Frankie.
If you're riding here at Rebecca Farm this weekend and happen to leave anything behind, there are also more vendors located up by the barns in stabling, so be sure to check those out. Well, in addition to dressage here today, we have a fun event taking place as well. A different kind of dressage. This one is a great fundraiser for Halt Cancer X, and it features the one and only Sarah Broussard behind me, as well as course builder Burt Wood and course designer Ian Stark. All three will be saddling up and riding a dressage test, as well as doing cross country and show jumping on horses they really don't have much experience at all on, all for fun and fundraising purposes. Additionally, the best part is that you can make a donation to Halt Cancer X, and that donation can be done by either adding to or subtracting from their scores. By adding or subtracting penalties you can actually buy. We've got some highlights for you. It's going to be a lot of fun here this weekend. Well, Bert had to go into that ring first. 3 judges giving you scores, Bert, and people are buying you some score lowering points here. But how'd you feel in there?
Well, I think I got hosed because I thought that was the practice test, so I was just showing him stuff and then I find out it counted.
Well, it seems a little unfair from the beginning, so make sure that you're contributing to Bert here because, he didn't get his practice. And also, Sarah's horse is looking pretty seasoned in there.
That's cheating. It's probably Ben or something like that. It's been to the Olympics, right?
All right, well, yours looked like a newbie. I heard this was his first time being braided.
Yeah, it was. It's his first time really doing anything. He's coping pretty well.
He's being a good guy in this situation. Are you excited for the rest?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, thanks, Bert.
Let's hope he can learn how to jump cross country in the warm-up.
All right, make sure you go and make your contributions in the office if you're here joining us at Rebecca Farm. That's it for our day 2 coverage here from Rebecca Farm. I'm Frankie Terry at Stutes. Be sure to tune in tomorrow as we conclude FEI dressage here from Kalispell, Montana.